welcome to my YouTube channel. So if today is the first time you are coming across my video, I want you to click on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a video like this. So I told you guys that I'm going to be doing documentary of all the trade I took, and I'm going to compile them in a video. So this is the video of the gold trade I took, the buy I took on gold, and this is how it went. First of all, from an higher time frame. And first of all, this is a London session, and I always trade London session from higher time frame, which is from 1 hour. Price, you can see that price have been trending to the upside for a long while now. Price have been trending to the upside. Okay, see price touch on this trend line. Price have been touching on this trend line severally. Price touched here, also from the bar. Price have been touching. Price touched here and bought. Actually bought from here when price touched this level. See, I bought from here. So price touched there, bought, and now finally price break below this trend line. That's to tell you that gold is going to be selling. Gold is definitely going to be selling, but I take advantage of the small buy here. It's just a little buy that I took here. So whenever price break below a trend line, you expecting price to come back to retest on that trend line and drop. But the more reason why I took this trade is because this price actually there was a reaction at this resistance level when price came back and retest on this support, then bought. Now this is the second time price, this is the third time price is coming back to this same support zone. This is the third time price is coming back to this support zone, and there have already been a rejection here, showing you that this level is actually a strong level. And now price came back to the same level again. What do you think price is going to do? Price is going to buy. Now I added this with the confluence of this, with the confluence, which is this 15 minutes trend line. Now let's go to a 15 minutes so that you see what I'm talking about, because I actually make this entry in a 15 minutes time frame. Now in a 15 minutes time frame, the reason why I took this trade is because price, this was a trend line. Price touched this trend line, the first one. The second one, this third trend line, I actually took this sell. I took this sell to somewhere here, and I opt out of the trade. And now, and I always observe something. There's something I see whenever price make the first touch to a trend line. Whenever price make the first touch, make the second touch, make the third touch. The third touch is always massive. It always sells to the downside. But when it comes to the fourth touch, there is always some kind of weakness. There's some kind of weakness whenever price comes to the fourth touch. Price might just do this fourth touch, comes and break that trend line to the upside or to the downside. So after seeing this break, after I see price break above, I waited for a retracement to this trend line, which price came back and retested on this trend line. On this retest, I saw this rejection here, the first rejection and the second rejection. Then I went in for the buy. And before then, looking at the momentum of the bullish candle, you can see that the momentum here increased, the bullish momentum increased, and there was a strong rejection here, showing you that the bullish, yeah, they are strong. And looking at this coming down, you can see how there was a lot of rejection before price even gets to this level. So after seeing this bullish momentum also, it made me believe that this market is going to buy. So price is going to buy to my take profit. Then I'm going to rearrange my setup and know what I should be doing next. So first of all, I'm just showing you how I took this trade. Price retested on my trend line, and I waited for some rejection. Seeing this rejection, I believe that this is going to buy, so I went in for the buy. Now I also took a trade on GBPJPY, which is my best pair. I love taking trades on GBPJPY, so I took a trade on GBPJPY, a sell trade. Now why did I take this trade? So here are the reasons why I take this trade. First of all, price was actually trending. I took a sell here in a trending market, in a bullish run, in a bullish market. I took a sell. Now, why did I take this sell? Looking at, first of all, from a higher time frame, let's go to an higher time frame. From a higher time frame, from a 1 hour time frame, you can see how strong this bullish trend is. And I believe GBPJPY might still be buying, or it might sell, might make a retracement, a sell to the downside. It's under probability, so no doubt. Now there's a trend line I want to show you. There's a trend line, a 4 hour trend line that I draw. So this is a 4 hour trend line here. This is a 4 hour trend line. If you look very clearly, as I've told you before in my previous videos, whenever price make multiple of touches, like there must be at least 2 touches to be sure that that trend line is valid. So price made the first touch here, second touch here. What do you think is going to do? And I told you, whenever it comes to the third touch of a trend line, it's always very, very powerful. Price always respect the third touch a lot. Like now, let me show you. This was price making the first touch here, second touch here, and this was the third touch, and it rallied to the upside. So now this is the first touch, and this is the second touch. The third touch break and sell to the downside. I want to show you the power of third touch when it comes to trend line. I want to show you the power of third touch. Now look closely here. Price made the first touch here, second touch here. Now this is the third touch. You can see how price sell to the downside on this trend line before retracing to this trend line again, then start buying to the upside. So this is just how powerful this thing is. So now guys, after I see price getting to this level, and if you see from a 1 hour time frame, there's a support level that support this trend line. This trend line is actually a resistance, and there's also another resistance from a 1 hour time frame that was found, which is this level. Looking at this level, you can see that price have been making a lot of rejection at this level. This was the first, sorry, that isn't the first. This was the first rejection. This is the second rejection. Price later broke, retraced, making it the third rejection, and price came back, break below, and this is the fourth and the fifth, making this level a very strong level. So now price have been making a lot of rejections at this support level. So now, because of this, I believe that whenever price gets to this level, it's going to reject. Now this is the sixth time price gets to this level, and there's also a higher time frame, a 4 hour time frame trend line that actually support this entry. So I moved down to a 15 minutes time frame where I took this trade. From a 15 minutes time frame, then I saw this candlestick formation, which is this hammer candlestick formation. That's why I believe it's going to really sell. It's going to sell. So I went in with two positions, and this is my SL, this is my SL, this is my TP, and I believe it's going to hit my TP. So guys, this is just how I took this trade based on price action. So if you know you enjoyed this video and you need more of the documentaries like this, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop a video like this. Thanks for watching.